A windy day for Cranky. It was a sunny day on Sodor, but it was also a very windy one. Hello everybody. Hello Nia. Lovely day, isn't it? Yes, it is. So Topham Hat asked me to go to the docks to help Cranky. Well then, I suggest you be careful, because he can be a little bit cranky. A little bit cranky? Ah, that's nonsense. He's always cranky. I believe you can do it, Nia. Don't worry, everybody. It will be fine. What is going on, Cranky? It's still a mess here. You said you'll have this docks cleaned up in no time, but you haven't. Sir, I'm doing the best that I can. Are you now? There's trucks in the way, Salty is trapped by a milk car, and Diesel's N hasn't been unloaded to the mainland. I can only work as fast as I can with this wind blowing me about. That is why I called Nia here to help you. No problem, sir. I'm happy to help. Nia was good with her word. She worked very hard all day. Thank you, Nia. Without you, I would have been trapped there for a long time. Arr. No problem, Salty. Happy to help. It wasn't long until Bulstrode arrived to Brenham Docks with the first load of the day. Hurry up, Creaky. My name is Cranky and you need to be patient. Stronger winds began to blow, causing Cranky to go this way and that way. Ah, this is so annoying. Take it easy, Cranky. What does it look like I'm doing? Cranky started unloading the balloons. Cranky turned to unload the balloons into the cars. But then, the minute Cranky dropped the balloons, the wind blew the balloons away. Whoops! This is not my day. Just take your time, Cranky. Things will go right soon. How soon would that be? Nia watched as Cranky and Bulstrode argued. She wished there was something she could do to help. Cranky turned to unload the poles, but the wind picked up. Not again! He dropped the poles onto the tracks. Oh my! Do you want some? No, I do not! Cranky snapped. Okay, Cranky. Nia switched lines for the other upcoming trains. And good thing she did. James rolled up. Here's James! I'm waiting on a delivery. Cranky, is he here? I'm busy. You'll get your cargo when you get it. But I need it now. It's an urgent delivery. Just then, Salty and Percy pulled up behind James. But Percy wasn't being careful. Oof! Shiver me axles! Hey, ow! Watch what you're doing! Sorry, got a little too excited. Cranky could see nothing was going right today. He tried his best to do his work, but then it happened. Look out! Ah! Look out, me hearties! Ow! Luckily, no one was hurt. Ow, no! This is a disaster. Then there was trouble. Edward arrived with a Topham Hat. Bust my buffers! What happened here? Cranky! You have caused confusion and delay. I asked you to clean up the docks, and now it's a bigger mess than before. Please, sir, it isn't his fault. The wind is making his work hard. It has been windy. Alright, Cranky, I'm giving you a second chance. Thank you, sir. I'll go find Lucky. And I'll find Harvey. Soon, everyone was working hard to bring the dogs back to normal. Well done, Nia. Well done, Harvey. Well done, everyone. But there's still one more job to be done. Don't worry, sir. I'm on it. Cranky lifted and loaded Diesel 10 into Bulstrode. With a big toot, Bulstrode sailed away.